What is going on, everybody? Today we're fixing something that's broken. Unfortunately. So what we're actually gonna do is get underneath the car, check the shift linkage, right? Pretty sure it's the shift bushing or shift linkage. We'll show you in a minute. Action terminology. I think it's shift
gear shift joint.
The joint?
Yeah, manual shifter linkage.
We will be fixing that, the shift linkage, picture here, on this car. Anyway, we're gonna get under here, make sure we got the right part number and everything for it, and we're gonna order it and show you guys how to install it. Be right back. And that's how you properly jack up a car.
Alright guys, that's the linkage that we're going to be chasing and changing. You see that it's moving way too much. Reese is moving it right now actually. And we're going to go order it right now and get us that new part. We shall be back here shortly. Alright, so we're going to be taking out all these screws right in here. That way we can get access to the little shift right here. And we'll be here momentarily once we take this out. Alright, so once you get all these screws out up here, you're going to want to take out pretty much this whole area of your armrest and everything. And then you're going to take out these screws right here, and we'll be back once we take those out. Alrighty guys, we got this out. Here it is, all rusty looking and stuff. Gonna put that down here, and then you should just be able to take this part out, but we're gonna have to go underneath and loosen it all up underneath there. And we'll show you guys here in a minute. Alright, so that right there is that little bushing assembly we're changing out here. What we gotta do is get that bolt off right there, and then get that spring off right there, and put the new one right back in. And so I'm gonna do that really quick and show you and tell you if I have any complications or not, which I might, who knows. Alrighty guys, so we had to take off this one right here just to get into this one, and there's a nut on top of this bolt that you have to hold down so that way you can unscrew it out. Now that that's out, Reese is actually, there he goes, in the process of taking that up, and then I will take that part off back there and replace it with what we got. So we'll be back here shortly. Alrighty guys, so it is day 2, and yesterday when we were doing this, we ran into a slight complication, and we decided to, why not try again later on another day, which is obviously today, refreshed and ready to rock, because we, as you can kind of see, we got the little cover for one of the bushings off, along with the spring that's on with it, and we also pretty much got this whole thing taken out, and we put the new one on already. I just test fitting it just to see if it will obviously work, just to make sure. And I'll show you guys exactly what's the problem under here. It's not much of a problem, it's more of like kind of extremely annoying and also like kind of hard to get out, which is the roll pin that's on the very end of that bush assembly or shifter assembly. I'll show you guys right now while we get under here. Alright, so you see that little silver pin right there, the little roll pin right there. That's what we've been trying to get out, and we've been kind of hammering away at it for a while yesterday, but we're hoping to get this out today, and so we're going to try to hammer that out, get it out of here, and then put the new shift assembly back in, and hopefully not have any more sloppy shifting. So we'll be back while I do that, so no worries. We got the pin out. Well, not me, but Reese, he did it. But we'll be back because we're gonna take this little part out now. Woohoo! Yay! Here's our culprit here. Look at that. Look at this piece of garbage. God, there's no bushing at all on that thing. Anyway, we'll get the new one on, and then we'll see if it changed any bit up. We'll be back. Alrighty, so now that we're back in the car and we got this horrible mess of a shifter assembly bushing out, we got the new one on. As you guys can see here, it's not really moving much, and we can put it on and hope it makes this shifting way better. So we're gonna force this back in under here, feed it back through, if I could get it in there. There we go. All right, back in. I'm now gonna put all this stuff back together, and we'll be back once this is all put together and reassembled. Alrighty guys, so we got the new bushing assembly, shifter assembly in, and it feels absolutely amazing. It actually, it's not really much movement in any of the gears as it was before. Really, I have to like force it to move around, so it's actually a million times better. Thank God. Now everybody else can actually drive my car.
It's not sloppy.
Yeah, it's definitely not sloppy. It's really not. I actually have to like do it myself. So we hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below if this helped you, and also let me know in the comments below. Well, let us in the comments know.
Yep.
Let us know in the comments below what else you guys like to see, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button there,
Over here.
down there,
Likes over there.
and likes over here, and then also there's a doorbell, and yeah. All right,
Don't
we'll
get
see you guys.
frustrated while you work.
Yeah, don't do that. I did that. Don't do that. We'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.